In this video, I'll walk you through the updated FM dashboard interface for contractors once you log into your FM dashboard account. First, you'll notice the Action Item button. This has moved and it's now located on the right-hand side of the screen. Before you can see it here, but now it is found at the upper right part of the interface. This makes it more accessible and keeps important actions within easy reach. Next, take a look at the upper right corner. Before you can find it here, on top of all the work order list. Now, it's at the upper right corner of the screen. The scroll has been relocated here for quicker and more convenient access. One of the new features is the ability to expand work order details using the plus sign. This plus button, when you click, you can instantly view additional information about the work order without navigating away from the page. This allows you to see more information at a glance and saves time. Also, apart from that button, there is this quick action button where adding notes or editing a work order will be easier to access. These options are positioned more conveniently, helping streamline your day-to-day tasks. So if you'll take a look and familiarize yourself with these updates, the crucial part is the action items, the search bar, and the plus button for expansion of details and quick actions for adding of notes, view, and edit.